Welcome back. We are continuing our practical applications with Autodesk Inventor, and this is exercise number 5. We are designing a funnel. Why we're designing a funnel? Because I needed one. And I decided to design and 3D print one instead of just ordering one from Amazon. This is also a great application of Revolve Command. We are mostly familiar with Extrude Command, so now we're going to start looking at advanced features. And the first one we're going to look at is Revolve Command. So it's very simple but practical. So let's go ahead and get started. Like always, I will go as slowly as possible so you can easily follow along. So let's go to File, select New. We're going to be working in a metric. Select standard.ipt and then create. Awesome. Alright, start a 2D sketch on XY plane. Remember, if you hold your wheel button on the place, you get the hand. You can move your cursor anywhere around the screen, so you can move and you have more room to work with. Okay. Alright, so from here, let's go ahead and use line command. So I'm gonna draw a line about the approximately like that. So we want this line to be a little bit longer. Approximately, just approximate it, maybe 80. 80. And then draw another one. That's already too far. Alright, about there. And then another one here. Okay, so we have a line that goes like that, and then we have another line like that. There you go. Draw a profile like that. Then we're gonna add dimensions. Let's go ahead and add some dimensions. So dimension 2, the top, and dimension 2. We're gonna dimension from the beginning of this first line to here. And we need this distance to be 120. Okay, and this one to be 150. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and draw another line. Draw a line from here to about. I'm gonna use a reference line. So I'm gonna move my here. I'm gonna move. If you move your mouse here, but don't click, but you get this reference dotted line. All right, and then click, and let's cancel that. So we got a line, and it's about this height. Okay. All right. Select this line. Make this line a center line. Let's make it a center line. Awesome. Now, dimension again. Dimension between this line and this center line. Let's make it 4 degrees. Awesome. And also the angle between this line and this one. Let's make it 33. Excellent. Alright. Now, done. Dimension 2 again. So from this end to this line, the diameter is going to be 235. 235. From here to this line, center line, let's make diameter 250. Excellent. So that's the profile we have. Now let's clean up these dimensions. Always make your dimensions cleaner. That's what I'm doing. So once you click on a dimension, you see those 4 arrows, allows you to move anywhere you want. Cleaner. Try to align them if you can. It's gonna make your drawing looks better. Looks clean. Looks clean. Awesome. Now, offset command. Under modify panel, there is offset command. Okay, let's go ahead and launch offset command and offset these lines. Whole profile. Then enter. So the way offset command works, and it can't then do that again. So launch the command and select everything at the lines of the curve you want to offset. So I have everything selected. Then press enter. We're gonna offset it outward. So and they do a distance of 4. Excellent. So I type in 4. See that's that. Now we can go ahead and close this profile. Line command to close this profile. Awesome. Do the same thing at the bottom. So I'm going to draw, I'm going to zoom in, draw a line from here to there. Okay, so it's a little bit past this point. Now let's go ahead and use extend. Extend, what does extend command do? It's going to extend this line to the line you want to. All right. And that. Now what trim? What about trim? Trim is this looks like scissor. So trim. So we're gonna get out this excess part of this line. Now our profile is done. Our profile is done. We can go ahead and finish our sketch. Check this green check. And then this is what we have. So make sure that it's a closed profile. You don't have any open areas. Okay. All right. Now, so like I said, we have so we're mostly familiar with extrude. We used extrude in previous projects. We're gonna look at Revolve command. Launch Revolve command. Oh, look at that. It gives you a nice preview because we only had one profile there. It gives us a nice review. So it knows that this is going to be our axis of revolution. So yeah. So here's where you can change your angles. Let's say you don't want to do a full revolution, maybe you want to do 250. Let's see how that will look like. It's 250. I want to do, let's just do 360. 360. The full revolution. And then click OK. Awesome. The first part is done. It's almost looking like a funnel, isn't it? Alright, let's go ahead and add the handle part. I'm gonna select this part, start to the sketch on it, zoom out. Alright, so draw a horizontal line from this point, horizontal line. Let's make that distance 15, 1, 5. Alright. Next, let's also make this line a center line. Very good. Alright, now we're gonna go to under create, below this letter A, there is a point. So we're gonna create point. Actually, let's go ahead and create a point on this outside edge about here. Okay, create a point there. And next, let's go to circle command. Draw a circle about here, whose diameter is 20. Diameter is 20. I'm gonna move my dimension inside like that. All right, next we're gonna go back to point Again, it is on the create panel, point, and let's create a point. Alright, so don't click, just come here at the center of the circle, and I get that reference line. Alright, what is it? See that dotted line, and then go up, somewhere. Yeah. How about that? It's fine. So create a point that is across the center of your circle. Alright, in some distance. I'm gonna give you the dimensions in a minute. So from here, let's go ahead and apply our vertical constraint and select the circle and the center of these. Oh, undo that. We don't want to do that. I select the wrong constraint. Horizontal constraint. Select the circle and the center of this one. Nice. Now the circle is horizontally constrained to the origin. Right. Now, dimension tool, from this point here to this point, and we need that distance to be 40. Let's see how you can down a little bit. Again, dimension tool, select this point, and then select this point here. Okay. Oh, so let's go ahead and do vertical constraint one more time. Select this and make sure that this is alright. It is vertically aligned, this point, and this is vertically aligned to the center of the circle. Alright, dimension from here to here. And we want that distance to be 28. Alright. Alright. Again, let's go ahead and apply a vertical constraint from this point to this point. Oh, the constraint already exists. Awesome. So I was just verifying to make sure. Okay. Now, dimension 2, from the center to this point, we need that distance to be 28. 28. Excellent. Now, line command, draw a line from here to here. So we're going to mirror this line along this line. Okay. So select the line you want to mirror. Look how the arrow changed from red to white. Next, select the mirror line. So mirror line is going to be this center line here. Apply. Done. So we have it over here. Okay. Now, tangent. Go to tangent command. Sorry, go to arc command and found arc tangent. It's going to create arc that is 10 lines. Voila. There you go. We got this profile, and that's the part you usually grab when you're using the funnel. So finish your sketch and then extrude. Extrude never goes away. Why? Why? So much. It's a very useful command. It's probably the most used command. That is why it's number one. Alright. So, okay, click OK. So we extruded 5. That action is flipped. And make sure that the output is under join. And then click OK. Awesome, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost done. We are almost done. Now, there's another part. So I want you to look at this one. So how are we going to make this part? Let's go ahead and do that part. We just finished this. Okay. Let's go ahead and add the end to this part. So to do this, I want you to go to your model browser or browser history. This part is called browser history. Go ahead and select origin, expand, click on that plus sign, and find I think we need a YZ plane. Yeah, let's go ahead and select X, why is the plane this far? Actually, XY plane is fine. Select XY plane. So, alright, so from here, at the bottom, look at the bottom, we have different options. Alright, one of them says slice graphics. Slice graphics, it's this one. Go ahead and select that. And boom, look at what it does. So shift with it cut our funnel into a half. Another half is hidden. So what this is going to allow us to do is going to allow us to sketch around this edge. Go ahead, plot geometry, select these two lines and this one as well. Plot the geometry, come on. Why? I want to plot the geometry, that one as well. Yeah, so create a profile like that. Okay. And then line command, draw a line from here to here. It doesn't matter. Anywhere is fine. And then dimension from there to here. This angle needs to be 33. I made mine 33. Finish your sketch. Awesome. Now we're gonna go to extrude one more time. So the profile is already selected. Alright, we're gonna cut it. How much do you want to extrude it by? 25. And done. Oh, nope, edit the extrusion. Edit the extrusion. You want this to be symmetric. So 25 symmetric and our output is cut. Excellent. Look at that. Look at this. Alright. Now, so we're gonna apply a fillet. Let's go ahead and apply a fillet of 5 here. Fillet of 5. And change your appearance to red. I'm gonna find it's gonna be plastic. I'm gonna go to a different library. On. Edit it on. Awesome. Alright. Now let's go ahead and actually under material, let's make it PET plastic. Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and model, select the model part, and then eye properties, summary, so tab, and update, and find the mass. Find the mass of this funnel. The mass of this funnel is there. All right, 0.584 kilograms. That's all you have to do. That's what we have to do. That is how you design a funnel. That is how we design a funnel. And I guess what am I gonna be asking you on your exam is how to find the mass of this funnel. Find the mass of this funnel. Awesome. All right, that was quick. All right. Do not forget to go ahead and update your portfolio as well. So this is gonna be project number 5 or exercise number 5. Go ahead and put in your portfolio and keep building. All right, let me know if you have any questions